Hi everyone, I have another haul video for you. This is from Kilburn Kreations, who is, we call it KK here on YouTube. It's Kilburn Kreations, K-I-L-B-U-R-N, and the Kreations is spelled with a K. So, it's mostly fabric. I believe it's all fabric actually. But look at this. Isn't this just the cutest? And I paid, we've got a house. Isn't that adorable? This is going to make an awesome project. So I paid $2 for this huge piece of fabric, and guys, this is folded triple. This is a lot. And I don't want to open it up because then I won't be able to fold it back up right. But $2 for all of this fabric we got. Good deal. Then I got this adorable watermelon fabric. Most of these are going to be journal covers. A lot of them will go into quilting. And this piece for a journal cover. I thought I would use this on one of my farm or country journals. I think it would look nice on there. Would even really go good with Victorian. This, believe it or not, is going into mixed media. These are napkins, and I absolutely love them. I haven't seen anything like this yet, so yeah, I was real happy when she brought these out. And then I got 2 of these. Actually, I got 3 of these. So this will go into a quilt. I think it's beautiful. Beautiful color. I know my camera's not showing it, but trust me, it's a beautiful color. Kind of like an aquamarine, teal, and maybe a royal blue, but it's really pretty. And yes, I have one hand polished and one not. Haven't got that far yet. And then I got 1, I think these are fat quarters. 2 of these. This is absolutely going to be a journal cover. I think it is just stunning. And again, I got 1, 2 of these. You know what? This may end up being quilt pieces. I don't know. Maybe not together. Or maybe if I put, if I put a cream in between them. We'll see what I do with these. And I might start showing y'all some of my quilt tops. I can't do them on the screen. And I got a ton of this. I don't know why I got so much of this. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. And I'm going to say this may be more than a fat corner. This one may be the half yards. I know why I bought these now. I'm going to start making and selling art journals. And these are going to be the covers on them. I thought when I saw them, I thought, oh, I found a perfect cover for art journals. So yeah, those. I fell in love with these. These are a dark green with little tiny cream color hearts in it. And this is my haul from Christine at Kilburn Kreations. And thank you, KK. I love it all. And I will be very busy with a lot of stuff I want to do with these. And guys, stay tuned, because as you know, what I don't use goes in my scraps that I sell. I absolutely love this page with a sheet. I absolutely love this. This will make a good size lap robe top. Yes, it will. This may end up being a lap robe that goes to one of the gentlemen in the nursing homes. Alright guys, I will see you soon. Thank you for watching, And please like and subscribe and check back often. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.